The second back technique is that of lumbar spine offloading. Your lumbar spine is your lower back. Many people during the clinic come in with lower back pain. Tape is a very useful way at offloading the area to allow the area to relax and heal back to its normal state. Here the most important part is to mark out where the injury has occurred. I sometimes even draw on my patient. So here the injury has occurred to the spine in that area there. That allows me when I'm taping to have a guide point how far above and below I need to tape. The two anchors for this technique are about 5 centimetres above and below that mark. These anchors run horizontally across the back. After this, we're going to be applying some strips coming from the top of the anchor to the opposite side of the bottom anchor, coming across that dot we drew earlier. Again, I normally do 2 strips running from each direction. As you can see again, there is some folding of the tape, but that is necessary to provide the amount of offloading needed to help protect the back. From here, going to be applying another 2 strips running in the other direction. The aim is to make a cross running over the dot. And the last one. It's really important to provide 2 anchor points because of the folding of the first pieces of tape. If a person has an acute back injury, you can provide 3 or 4 pieces of tape running in each direction to provide more support. That is the lumbar spine offloading technique.